your 9 to 5 job making you miss out on life's best moment? Hey guys, while you are stuck in the office, life can be passing you by. Life is actually passing you by. The 9 to 5 grind doesn't have to steal your precious time. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can discover how working from home can help you live life on your own terms. Yes, so whether as a student or a stay-at-home mom or as an adult that needs extra source of income. Guys, do you know that you can teach a language online? Yes, for anybody with basic English speaking and writing skills. Besties, two of the easiest ways to earn money with a laptop are copy editing and teaching English. In both cases, they are both super flexible, and for example, you could tutor English or have a weekly hour count for copy editing. Yes, it's gonna help pay the bills. With English tutoring, you might end up meeting some interesting people while you're even teaching them. Guys, you can become a freelancer specializing in assisting students with assignments. Yes, you can also create posts on social media. You can say, if you're interested, please contact me. I offer one assignment free of charge for evaluation. You can do them with their first assignment, help them with their first assignment, and then you tell them, I consistently deliver. You can say something like, I consistently deliver high quality original work free from AI and plagiarism. Thank you. Just go ahead and share that on your social media spaces. Guys, tutoring is a great option that lets you solidify your knowledge with helping others. Other options would be a job on campus. So yes, you can try the library or canvas the few blocks around your house with cleaning flyers. Just create flyers, and I'm going to share with you how you can make flyers for less. Everyone wants a cheap or good cleaner that they can trust. You can actually work on campus. You'll be surprised how many jobs will let you sit there while you study or do your homework. And if you're more of a creative type, you can actually sell handmade crafts or other items online. I have a friend who makes awesome jewelry and sells it on Etsy. What are we even saying here? I also have jewelry that I sell on my website. So you can turn your hobbies into cash. You can also sell vintage finds or other unique items. This is also something that you need to know. Do you know that printer cartridges from old printers at Goodwill outlets can be turned into Office Depot for store credits? Yes, guess what? A friend of mine paid for her computer that way. You can do that and get gift cards. You can get gift cards from them and use it to purchase any item or gadget of your choice. I'm talking about empty cartridges here. Empty cartridge, they are willing to buy empty cartridges from you. So guys, they have a recycling program, yes, and even as a graphic designer, you can use this program. Whether you're a graphic designer or you are not, or you can use it to just make money. Guys, I kid you not, you can use this as an opportunity to start earning money. Now, this one is going to shock you. Do you know that you can become a virtual horse whisperer? I'm not joking. I kid you not. These people can even talk to your horse over the phone if you're too far away. Yes, people are hiring animal communicators, people who can talk to animals even just from the picture. They believe that once you see the picture of their animal, you can talk to that animal on their behalf. And yeah, they talk to animals telepathically, even dead animals. They can talk to them on behalf of their owners, and they are willing to pay you a ton of money to just find out what their dog is saying in the grave. You'll be surprised. Just go find out how you can use the skills to do that. Guys, another thing you can do is you can also work with app testing websites like Free Cash. Yes, they pay you to try out new apps and games. You have to pay nothing. Most of these websites that ask for payment, they are basically scamming you. Please, you don't have to pay anything. I can make an approximate of $150. Yes, and I recommend that you do the same. Go ahead and sign up on Free Cash, and they'll also pay you some amount of money when you sign up. Go ahead and enter your email and you're good to go. Please, when you are entering in for all these surveys, you can create a new website for them. Do not create your main website. Do not use your real identification. When you're filling in these surveys, you don't have to use your real name. Do not enter your bank details. Do not give them your social security. Just stay away. Do not give them your address while you are filling in those surveys. Do not do that because you don't want to compromise your own security. So be very careful. A lot of these survey websites, you have to be really careful with giving out your personal details. So use a fictitious name. Don't use your real name when you're filling those surveys. Yes, on those survey websites, you don't want them to use your real identity and use it. Anything can happen. You know what I mean? So be very careful while you use all of these survey websites. So yes, I said I was going to share something with you. Okay, so if you want to create flyers at a reasonable cost, because I tried tried to do it when I was in grad school. I was billed about $930, if I remember correctly, for 1,000 copies to print it. I had a FedEx very close to my house, which was really, very easy for me at the time. You can actually sign up for HP printer. I am not an affiliate in any way. No. So sign up for HP Smart Printer if you have an HP printer. So go ahead and sign up for HP Smart Printer and subscribe every month. You're going to pay a tiny amount of money every month, and then you can buy the rim, the whole box. I bought 1,500 copies for about $15 from Walmart. Yes, you can buy it, or you can buy it from Amazon. Get the whole box, 1,500 of that, and then you subscribe to the HP Smart. It's less than $20 every month, and you can print as many as you want. I'm telling you, you can print as many as you want. You can sign up for the 300. So what they do at HP Smart is they refill it each time it's finished. I finished my own Smart ink every one day. So once their machine detects that it's almost out of ink, they will send you another one. But you have to also return their cartridges to them. I just mentioned to you now how cartridges, you can actually start making money from selling cartridges. So yes, you can return the empty cartridge to them at no cost. They would have giving you your shipping, your mailer. You can mail it to them at no cost. That way it gingers you, it encourages you to always share, to always return their cartridges. So yes, these are ways to actually make money. Just create your own flyer. Go on Canva, design the flyer, and then create the flyer. You can do it yourself. You can paste it yourself. I was scammed by someone last month. I wanted him to just paste my flyers for me, and then he just ghosted off, which is okay. So go ahead and just do it yourself. Yeah, at least you cannot scam yourself. You can't deceive yourself. Yes, you can do that for a start. You'll be surprised that people will see your flyer and they will reach out to you. Make sure that there's a way they can connect with you, maybe with your phone number. You can generate a phone number from Google Voice, generate a number and put it there, or you can put your real phone number. That's okay. And then you can also put an email address or something that or your Instagram page. You can connect with me on Instagram, send me a DM or something. Just let them know how they can reach out to you. So guys, that is it for today. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and do that. I'd like to know you and me too. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the best. God bless you for all that you do. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share with you how to make money online every single time. Money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, guess what? You'll never be broke again. So guys, that is it for today. Yes, my giveaway. Okay, and we just launched our Telegram channel, our Telegram community. Please go ahead and share the link to my Telegram community with your friends. Yes, share to 50 people. They come back to today's video and let me know how many people you added into my Telegram channel. When you do that, I'm going to select randomly. So go, and it's closing soon. So go ahead and do that right now. Yes, right now. Start sharing. Find the link in my description and in my comments. And of course, you're on your way to winning my $100 gift card. And I'm going to send it to you anywhere you are in the world. So that is it for today, guys. Yes, that is it. In case someone has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am so proud of you. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now. God bless.